set and ready to race. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Jacqueline's Diamond from the outside. And by the rail is Grace Gibber, Kay Inday, Tito Aru, and Blue Material. The mid-back stretch, Grace Gibber moving up on the inside to grab the lead, followed by Jacqueline's Diamond on the outside in second. And Kay Inday running in third by 2.5 lengths on the inside, Tito Aru and Blue Material. And rounding the far turn, on the far turn, it is still the favorite Grace Gibber by a length and a half, Jacqueline's Diamond, Kay Inday on the outside, Tito Aru, and Blue Material. The last bend for home, it is still entry number 1, Grace Gibber, leading the field, followed by Kay Inday on the outside. And into the home stretch, Grace Gibber, Kay Inday on the outside, Jacqueline's Diamond on the farther outside, Tito Aru. And in the payoff line is still Grace Gibber, the favorite in the lead, followed by Kay Inday, Jacqueline's Diamond running in third. And finally, on the payoff line, it's a cinch for entry number 1, Grace Gibber, Kay Inday, Jacqueline's Diamond, Blue Material, and Tito Aru.
1, 2, 4, 5. Tito Aru.